In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix updates are underway. Please keep your computer on. So usually, in the first method, just go to search and go to command prompt. So once you have CMD, just run that as administrator. Once you have CMD, just type sfc slash scan now, which scans your computer if it needs an update or anything else. It's because the updates are just bugs, and that's why it usually stocks in that way. So, in case you are still waiting for the verification to complete, you just have to go to your Windows update. Just check for Windows updates because they are important and maybe they are the causes of your problem. And that's it. Be sure to download the updates, and that's it.